Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into products that truly transform your skincare routine. Today, we're looking at the Sassy by Savannah Chrisley Pamper Yourself Kit. This is a 3-piece spa kit designed to bring luxury and relaxation into your everyday skincare regimen. If you've been struggling with oily skin or uneven texture, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. And don't forget, if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more expert reviews like this. Let's break down the Sassy Pamper Yourself Kit, which includes a cleansing balm, a clay mask, and a spa headband. The cleansing balm is meant to remove impurities while preparing your skin for the other products in your routine. It's a gentle yet effective formula that balances your skin's moisture, leaving it soft without stripping away essential oils. The star of this kit is the clay mask, which absorbs excess oils and gently polishes the skin's surface, leaving it looking smoother and more balanced. And of course, the headband, simple yet effective. It keeps your hair neatly out of the way during your skincare routine, making application easier and mess-free. I've been testing this combo for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, I'm impressed with how well these products work together. The cleansing balm is super smooth and doesn't feel greasy, but it still gets the job done. I used it both in the morning and evening, and it left my skin feeling fresh and thoroughly cleansed without any dryness or tightness. As for the clay mask, it definitely helps to control my oil throughout the day without drying out my skin. I've noticed that after using it, my skin feels less shiny and it has a more refined texture. The mask's formula is creamy, not too thick, and doesn't crack or flake when it dries. Plus, it rinses off easily, which is a huge win for me. The headband is also a thoughtful addition. It makes the whole process feel more luxurious and keeps everything in place. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Sassy by Savannah Chrisley Pamper Yourself Kit is a fantastic duo for anyone with oily or combination skin. The cleansing balm is gentle but thorough, and the clay mask really helps to absorb excess oils and smooth out skin texture. Plus, the added headband is a nice touch for keeping things tidy during your routine. However, there are a couple of things to consider. The clay mask might be a little too much for those with sensitive skin, especially if you're prone to irritation or redness. I'd recommend doing a patch test first, just in case. Additionally, the price of the kit might be a bit higher compared to other clay mask sets, but you are paying for a high-quality, luxury brand experience. Is it worth the price? For me, the value is there. You're getting 2 well-performing products plus a cute headband. Everything feels like a pampering experience. While you could find similar products at a lower price point, this set offers a more polished and enjoyable skincare ritual, which can make it worth the investment if you're looking for something special to add to your routine. In comparison to other spa kits on the market, this one definitely stands out in terms of the quality of ingredients and the added headband, which you don't often see in other sets. If you're someone who appreciates a little extra indulgence in your routine, this kit could be a great choice. The build quality of the products is solid. Both the balm and the mask are packaged in sturdy, travel-friendly containers, which makes them easy to take along for a weekend getaway. The headband is a simple cotton material, comfortable to wear, and holds your hair back securely. So, who would benefit most from this kit? If you have oily or combination skin and struggle with excess oil or uneven texture, this kit could really help balance your skin while keeping things fresh. If you love a bit of luxury in your skincare routine, this could be a treat you'll want to add to your collection. If you're someone who prefers a more budget-friendly option, though, you can find similar clay masks and cleansers from brands like L'Oreal or Neutrogena, which are just as effective for controlling oil and refining texture. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this Sassy by Savannah Chrisley Pamper Yourself Kit, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. And remember, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest, expert reviews here on Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.